Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we're going to do a solo review on a watch face by a developer named VTM Watch Faces. The name of the watch face is called Radiation Warning 12-24 Hours. And it looks just like that, like it's about to warn you that you're about to go into a radioactive dump. So be careful. And that would be nice if it was able to warn you, right? But the sign, the symbol, it looks just like it. I like the developer. He stepped outside of the box with this one. And in always on mode, you're going to see the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode, which isn't a bad look at all. But when the watch face is on, the symbol is in full-fledged. Now, what I like about what the developer did, he stepped outside of the box, very different from any other watch face that you see in the Gear Manager store today. Now, you get 7 shortcuts in all. Now, it's interactive, which is nice. I like this. If you look up at the top, you get your battery info, you get info on your steps, you get your digital time, right, which is separated, which I love. And then in the middle, down at the bottom, you get your day, your month, and your day. And in the middle, if you look really, really good, I know it looks dusty. Remember, this is a radiation watch, right? And if you look at the center, you got a little animation going on with the heart for your heart rate. So let's tap there. Got a double tap. And you can go in and you can get more info on your heart rate, calories burned, things of that nature. If I tap at the top, double tap, I can make a phone call, double tap right here, and I can go in and get more information on my steps. Just double tap right here. I can get my email info down at the bottom. I can go in and check out my events or set an event. Tap right here. I can go in, set an alarm, and double tap right here. And come on, and I can go into my music, which you know how I feel about my music. I thought it was pretty cool. The question is, at the end of the day, what is your thoughts? Make sure you hit me in the comment section below, because I would like to know what you think about this watch face and if it's worthy of a download. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.
Take care.